Welcome to episode 4 of Challenging Geography Topics, and today we'll be looking at rock folding and faulting. Let's talk about faults. A fault is a planar or gently curved fracture in rocks of the Earth's crust, where both compressional and tensional forces cause displacement of these rocks on the opposite sides of the fracture. Today we will discuss 3 types of faults, as well as landforms produced by faulting. Let's talk about normal faults. A normal fault is a result of tension. When this occurs, rocks are pulled apart and one side is thrown downwards. Here's an image of a normal fault. One rock strata dips below the other along the fault line. Now let's talk about reverse or thrust faults. This type of fault results from compression, unlike a normal fault. The beds on one side of the fault plane thrust over the existing other rock. When this occurs, there is overlapping of one rock strata, which ultimately causes the surface area to become decreased. Let's talk about a tear or wrench fault. These types of faults form where there's a shift that's horizontal, although the fracture itself is actually vertical. This is usually caused by an earthquake, and a good example of this is the famous San Andreas Fault. Stay tuned for part 2 of this episode next Sunday, where I will be explaining rock folding. Thank you for listening to today's episode of Challenging Geography Topics, episode 4, which was rock folding and faulting. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel, CME Institute of Learning.